So I got my assistant with me today, helping me with showing you how to take the part of the oven off that you can separate to get in between the glass. They have, when you see your oven door, I'm just come around here, you're gonna see these little guys. You're gonna make sure you find the right one that goes in there. And then there's also gonna be some on this side that are also gonna be different. So they're gonna be two different sizes. So what you wanna do is you wanna unscrew them. I keep mine in a little jar. I got my cute little she toolbox. And then kind of give you an idea, I don't know if you guys can see the tip. But that's the tip of it, there we go. So this one is the smaller one, so it's gonna help remove the smaller part of it. But what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to take it. I got my smaller one on, and you wanna unscrew it. So once you unscrew it, we're gonna go to the next step. Once you unscrew it, make sure you have a blanket. I did not put one under there. I like to keep a moving blanket or some kind of blanket to put underneath it, because you're gonna wanna hold it. I usually sit down and then put my knee under it, so that way it doesn't fall out. But this is how you're gonna clean the glass and get in here. You can also take this and remove it too, but today we're just gonna keep it simple. But it's gonna separate, and this is how you can clean the glass. Once you clean it, you can then put it back and put all the attachments on, and that is how you clean inside in between the glass for your oven. So once I have it open, I like to spray it down really good. You can see all the gunk for over the years of buildup, because I have not done this in a very, very, very long time, not here at this new house. So I like to spray it down. I also like to do is get a putty knife. I prefer plastic, but if you don't have a plastic one, you can use a metal one. But what I like to do is I take my cloth, and I use this for a lot of techniques. I use this also for doing in between the stove and the countertops to get the gunk in between it. I just take my putty knife and I just cover it with this, and then I can use that to help get in there, and it kind of scrapes with the cloth over it, so I'm not scratching it. So let's get in there a little bit at a time. The same thing for up here. I usually just leave my cleaner on it and let it sit so it can do some degreasing. And then when you're done, you just put back the oven and the oven glass door, and you're done.